Fearless agent recruiting, training, and coaching is based really on three things. One is my experience of recruiting at a very high level for 20 years. But the other one is there's a book called Spin Selling. And I don't know if you've ever read that, but it's the best book ever written on sales. There will never be a better book on sales. And it's based on a 11-year-long research study on sales where they analyzed 35,000 sales presentations, and two things came out of that. Number one is the results never changed. Number two is the results were the complete opposite of everything you've been taught about sales. For the last 100 years, sales has always been taught the same way. And it's you do a bunch of rapport building, but you show the features, but you actually sell the benefits, and then you overcome the objections. And I don't care how you rename it and dress it up and change things, but that's what all sales training is. So they noticed in the research that there was this tiny group of salespeople who were having astronomically better success, but they were doing something different. They were doing no rapport building. And in the research, they figured out that the more rapport building you do, the less likely you are to make the sale. They were doing no features. They were doing no benefits. They were making no promises. There was no 21-point marketing program or anything like that. And because of that, they never had to overcome any objections because they weren't getting any objections. So if you think about it, if you're going to meet with a recruit and you're not going to do any rapport building, and you're not going to tell them how great your company is and show them the features and show them the benefits, what are you going to do? Well, what you do is you ask a series of questions. Now, I'm the only person who's ever adapted the spin selling model to real estate because it was very difficult to do, but it actually works better in the real estate arena than it does in other corporate sales training. And we have some advantages that I think they don't have. So what you do is you ask this series of questions, and it ends up having the recruit sell you on why they should leave the company they're with without you ever mentioning their company. The recruit then sells you on why they should not join your competitor without you ever mentioning their competitor. The recruit ends up selling you on why they should join you and your company. And when you have the recruit selling you on you, you've arrived.